Welcome to the good, the bad, and the ugly of Aadhaar.
आधार कार्ड के तीन मेन प्रॉब्लम है: मिसयूज, सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज, पावर इम्बैलेंस.
Sounds like a relationship, huh?
Nice one. The biggest misuse of the Aadhaar card is by the government itself.
This is not the only misuse of Aadhaar. At some places like railway station or airport, आपसे सिर्फ आपका आधार कार्ड मांगा जाता है. There is no authentication. You can clearly see how Aadhaar is being misused. And now, let's talk about the security issues. Right now, the biggest concern with security is that your fingerprints and your iris scan are your password.
But are they really secure?
Here is a video from a research project conducted in the US.
What we're demonstrating right now is the ability to see if we can actually identify what is the identity of the driver based on iris, and then matching them, running through the database to come up with the identity of who I am.
It's that easy to get your iris scan. And fingerprints, it's even easier. You leave your fingerprints on everything you touch. It's like writing your Facebook password on your mug, on your doorbell, on the mobile phone. If the fingerprints were not that easy to capture, ACP Pradhuman would have fired Dr. Saluke long back.
नहीं सालुंखे नहीं
सालुंखे इसके ऊपर जो उंगलियों के निशान हैं,
बाएं हाथ के अंगूठे का निशान,
के अंगूठे का निशान,
घर में मिले हुए फिंगरप्रिंट्स की उंगलियों के निशान.
तू छुट्टी ले कैसे सकता है?
It's pretty clear that your fingerprints and iris scan can be easily stolen. What can you do about it? जब आपका कोई भी अकाउंट हैक होता है, you can change that password easily. क्या आप अपना फिंगरप्रिंट या iris scan चेंज कर सकते हैं?
नहीं सालुंखे नहीं.
मेरा हो गया. सर, आपको भी कोई सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न है?
I think my biggest concern is somebody hacking my Facebook and finding this photo. बस यार हटाओ उसको. I think that's a common concern for all of us. However, imagine now if this same Facebook ID was also linked to your healthcare, to your education, to your banking details. How much more of a damage can a hacker cause? He would have access to all these details plus that photo. And that is the concern with Aadhaar. Aadhaar is the same unique ID being used across multiple domains. And if a hacker gets access to all of this, he can basically steal your identity entirely. मेरा हो गया. एक और टॉपिक था ना? What is it called? In the case of Aadhaar, there is a power imbalance between the people and the government. And clearly government के पास ज़्यादा पावर है. ये सोचिए, आप शायद अपने ऑफिस में बैठ के फेसबुक चेक कर रहे हैं, या अपने टॉयलेट में बैठ के स्नैपचैट चेक कर रहे हैं, या अपने बिस्तर पे बैठ के अपनी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड को स्टॉक कर रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे. क्यों कर रहे हैं? If at any point इनमें से किसी भी अकाउंट को कोई हैक करने की कोशिश करे, you're immediately informed via either a message or an email saying your account has been hacked, somebody has tried to access your account, and your ex-girlfriend has moved on. UIDAI does not have any liability to do any of these things. आपका अगर डेटा चोरी हो जाए, they don't have to inform you. In fact, there was an RTI file asking them कि उनके कोई भी data leaks हुए हैं in their history, and they responded saying they will not be able to provide this data, citing security concerns. To be fair, earlier in March they said that in their entire history, no data has been leaked. But is that really true?
First of all, no data is safe, and last week there was a report that data is being sold, and in the 15,000 rupees you can get the personal data of 1 lakh people. There was a report. So first of all, data is not safe, and this has been admitted by the UID also.
15,000 rupees for 1 lakh people. That's roughly 15 पैसे per person. अगली बार आप पान की दुकान पर हो और उसके पास छुट्टा ना हो ना, तो पल्स कैंडी की जगह उससे आप 7 लोग का डेटा मांग लीजिएगा. But he's right. No data is safe. And UIDAI clearly knows this. This is a letter from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. And it clearly states that there has been data leakage. And what happens when this data is leaked? What can you do?
What is the protection? Does anybody making public an Aadhaar number of somebody else? Is there any law to prevent? What is the protection?
In the Aadhaar legislation itself. For making it public, he can be prosecuted. These are provisions in the Aadhaar legislation itself.
He's right. There are legislations in place in the Aadhaar Act itself which say that leakage of data is illegal. However, the Aadhaar Act also states that only UIDAI has the authority to make any complaint if any of these laws are broken. That means that you and I, whose data that is, cannot do anything about it if our data is leaked. That shows a clear power imbalance.
With Aadhaar card being linked to everything now, the government is capturing a lot of data. Imagine what they can do with it. Which brings us to the second aspect of power imbalance, profiling. To answer the question, what is the data which is being exactly captured, let's hear it from Nandan Nilekani, who is known as Fadar.
Let's say that State Bank of India uses Aadhaar to do an authentication. That banking information, the fact that you opted an account number PQR and withdrew 500 rupees is known to State Bank of India. It's not known to the Aadhaar system. Aadhaar system only knows that you went and did an authentication in State Bank. What you did there is not known to Aadhaar system.
Okay, fair enough. The government is not exactly tracking the transactional data, but they can pretty easily capture which exam we took, which mobile number we are using, which bank we went for, and much more. So in a way, they're actually capturing our footprints. Another related concern is that it's easy to profile you using your demographic data. To be fair, the government is not capturing sensitive information like your religion or your caste. But think about it, it's not too hard to profile you with your existing demographic data. If you are Jacob Fernandez, you're probably a Christian. If you're Harpreet Kaur, you're probably a Sikh. If you're Rizwan Khan, you're definitely not a terrorist. Clearly, if the government can profile us, they have more power than us. This was not made by us. It's an ad from OnGrid, a company that uses Aadhaar data to do background checks on customers.
We are watching you.
To sum it all up, this and other issues which we discussed call for privacy and better data protection laws in India, both of which are missing right now.
Clearly, Aadhaar has a lot of issues with it, but we should mention the good things about it as well. The CEO of World Bank, Paul Romer, has said, "The system in India is the most sophisticated I've seen, and it would be good for the world if it is widely adopted." And that's a good news for all of us, because next time when Chote Chacha messages you, you know he's not completely wrong.
Despite being a young technology, it has already shown its benefits. According to IISD, Indian Institute of Sustainable Development, linking Aadhaar card to LPG subsidies has saved at least 121 crore rupees. This shows a great potential for Aadhaar card in the coming future.
And power imbalance.
Sounds like a relationship, huh?
Nice one.
Dr. Saluke, काम हो गया. Yes.
Delivery for kallu_the_prince@yahoo.co.in.
Thank you so much for sticking with us throughout the video, and if you got to know anything new about Aadhaar, please share it with your friends. It's pretty important and we spend a lot of days making this video, so like, comment and subscribe.